All right, everyone, welcome to our Facebook live stream. I am John Cora. I am the social media strategist here for Jan Dills Attorneys at Law. Who you see in front of you right now is Miss Kelly Geis. She is our lead PI attorney, if I'm not mistaken, correct?
That's right.
So Kelly, say hello to everyone.
Hi, everyone.
This
Welcome.
this is Kelly's first live stream, and Kelly, I feel like we've been working together for like 2 years now. Is that correct?
It's been a while.
And you are a wealth of knowledge when it comes to personal injury law.
Thank you.
Kelly, tell us a little bit about your background. Before you came to Jan, what did you do back in the day?
Oh, gosh. The majority of my career, I worked for larger law firms, handling a lot of product liability claims.
And you have so much experience. You went to law school in Cleveland, is that correct, or in Northern Ohio?
I actually went to law school at Capital University in Columbus, Ohio. I'm originally from the Mid-Ohio Valley, so ended up in Ohio for schooling, came back here to the Parkersburg area. My family is originally from here, I'm originally from here, so felt like the right place to be and haven't left.
It's where everyone comes home, right?
That's right.
And you guys may have seen Kelly at some of our events. Kelly is often at our parades or our veterans dinner. Kelly loves working with veterans, and she's very patriotic, so it's always fun to see her at some of our outings. So if you ever get a chance, if you're at our spaghetti dinner or if you see it's a Veterans Day parade, be sure to come up and say hello. So the reason why we're here today is we're talking about this 3M earplug lawsuit. It affects a lot of veterans, and recently I wasn't even aware of this. I heard, actually Jan came up to me and said, you know, we're looking into this, and I was just surprised. It kind of seems like it came late last year. A lot of people started having a lot of information about this. And Kelly, can you just tell us like just a brief overview of what this lawsuit is and just explain a little bit to us in detail?
Sure. I mean, I think it came kind of as a surprise to everyone, like many product liability cases do. It came out that 3M, who is a manufacturer of earplugs, as well as a bunch of other different products from Band-Aids to tape to hardware. Anyway, in this case, they were manufacturing earplugs that they issued to the U.S. military. They issued these to the U.S. military between the years of 2003 and 2015. So veterans that were the veterans that served during that period of time may have used those earplugs. Well, it turns out that 3M may have actually known that these earplugs were defective when they sold them to the U.S. military.
Wow. Yeah. Okay.
And as a result, our veterans were using defective
earplugs. Okay.
Yes, which has caused a lot of folks injury.
So you know a lot more about this type of law than I do. I do write some blogs for us, but does this fall under like product liability?
This would fall under product liability, and a product liability claim is basically a claim against a product manufacturer, normally, someone who makes a product that turns out to be defective in its design or manufacturer, and it ends up injuring someone due to no fault of their own. And when that happens, a lot of times it ends up being a class action, which we believe this 3M claim will end up as a class action. It could be an individual claim.
So product liability is something that I think more people realize. They probably don't realize as much as they know about it, because one of like the bigger ones may have been like the airbag recall. Is that correct? Is that an example of product liability?
That's right. It sure is. So when an airbag may have failed to deploy or deploys and injures someone, by one of the instances was metal shards coming out of the airbags and injuring folks. When that happens, airbags may be recalled. So a lot of people with your vehicles, you'll receive recall notices in the mail. And that's because there is something defective going on with a seatbelt or an airbag or some other product that was manufactured and stuck in your car. It was funny because I was talking to my 11-year-old last night about product liability, and he didn't really know what it was, and so I was explaining it, and he said, so if I'm playing my games, my video games, and I'm wearing my headset and my headset explodes, would that be product liability? said, absolutely, you got it. So, if your headset were to injure you, those are types of things that we would investigate and see, why this happened. What did it happen as a result of the manufacturer's negligence? And in this case, the 3M earplugs absolutely fall under this category.
Fall under product liability. So that brings up another good point. Obviously, we represent veterans for VA disability here, and this is not a VA disability claim. Is that correct?
That's right.
So this would be like so that's why it falls under personal injury, because it's not VA disability.
Sure.
So even if you're a veteran of ours, or a veteran who is currently represented by us, this would be a separate claim. It would not be against the VA.
That is correct. Now, a lot of our clients or a lot of veterans may already have disability for hearing loss or tinnitus. And that is one of the things. If you already are receiving benefits for hearing loss or tinnitus, and you served in the military from 2003 to 2015 and were issued earplugs, you absolutely should give us a call, because you could very potentially be affected by this defective product.
Okay, wonderful. That actually, that does answer our next question of which veterans are impacted. So it was, and I want to throw this up on the screen actually to show, who should consider coming to see us. It's pretty much any veteran who served from 2003 to 2015, a veteran who was issued these 3M, and it's a dual core, is that correct? Earplugs?
Yes, it's dual core earplugs, sorry. So they could be flipped around. So
yeah, I found that really confusing, because like I always thought like an earplug's an earplug, right? And then we actually have it on the screen here what they look like. And the way they were designed, if I've read this correctly, is that they would in one way act like a normal earplug. Like just like you and I, if we went to the gun range today, it would just be a normal earplug, but you could turn it around and it would allow some noise in, but not all noise.
right.
And then if I read correctly, and it's in and we have a blog about this up right now too, they were short, and that caused a lot of issues as well. They had a design flaw, essentially. That's why they didn't work correctly. So they essentially didn't do their job.
That's right.
So veterans who should call us are, of course, anyone who served between 2003 and 2015, correct?
Right.
Veterans who were issued these earplugs during that time, and anyone who suffers from hearing loss or tinnitus who also meet the other criteria.
Right.
So one person actually asked, Charles asked, how bad does your hearing have to be in order to get in the lawsuit? So essentially they should really just give us a call for that, because, and we hate to say it because it does sound like a broken record sometimes, but every case is different. Tell me about that process. So if Charles were to call today, what would he have to discuss with our intake team to become a client of ours?
Okay, it's not going to really take you a lot of time, so it really benefits you to just give us a call and see if it's something that we can help you out with. So, we would need to take your information, your contact information, of course, so that we can reach you. But we wouldn't want to know what branch of the military you served in, what years you served, what you did in the military, your MOS, because if you served overseas and were deployed, that could be a different type of exposure than if you were here in the United States and were exposed to some heavy machinery sounds, that type of thing, airplanes or other heavy machinery that you may have been issued earplugs for. So we're investigating all types of claims. And as far as your hearing impairment, it could be, like we said, it could be tinnitus, or it could be severe to minimal hearing impairment. We want to hear from everyone.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Robert asked, or actually Robert mentioned that he served in Iraq in 2004, and he's receiving 10% disability from the VA for tinnitus. So Robert, I would heavily suggest that you call us, or if you want, just give us a DM here on Facebook, and after this live broadcast, we'll give you a call. Just send us your contact information. I think a lot of people are intimidated because, we're a law firm and maybe they didn't come to us for VA disability, but we have a friendly staff out there. You're probably talking to Joe or maybe Becky or someone like that. We want to help you, and this is not like this, it's not like what you see on TV. It's very casual. The conversation is, it's a free upfront consultation. Is that correct?
That's right.
So, I mean, you really aren't losing anything to give us a call. That number is 304-428-8900. And we are happy to talk to you. Or if you're watching this live broadcast, DM us or private message us, I should say. I get Twitter and Facebook messed up sometimes. Just send us your contact information. We will contact you after the broadcast if you'd like. So, Kelly, this has just started, but I know we've had a lot of people come in. Any other advice for veterans who might be on the fence about calling us about this claim?
I mean, like you said, John, there really is no downside to giving us a call. It's going to really take a minimal amount of your time, just for us to kind of ask you some basic questions, and there really are only a few questions that we initially need to know in order to determine if you would qualify for this 3M litigation.
All right, we did get one more question here, and they asked, how long does it take for the VA to correct the effective date of appeals? That's actually VA disability, and that's not part of this personal injury process. So if you do have a question about VA disability as a whole, please give us a call, 304-428-8900, and we will be doing more live broadcasts in the future with our VA disability team. But thanks to everyone who tuned in today. If you do have questions after the broadcast, you can call us 304-428-8900. Our website is up on the screen right now, jandills.com, or message us on Facebook. We are happy to do whatever we can to help you with this. So thanks to Kelly for stopping by today and sharing her knowledge with us. And we're going to leave you here with one quick word from Jan Dills, and we look forward to seeing you next.
If you've been involved in a car accident without the right attorney on your side, insurance companies can be hard to deal with.
No, we will not cover that.
Totally unacceptable.
No, we are not responsible.
Wrong again.
No, you're being unreasonable.
Really? I'm Jan Dills. And if you've been involved in a car accident, insurance companies are going to tell you no.
No, not covered. No, we will not pay for that.
That's why you need an attorney that won't take no for an answer.